In today's video, we're going to build a simple but super useful web app, a QR code generator using Streamlit. With this app, you'll be able to type in any text or link, generate a QR code instantly, and even customize its color and size. Pretty cool, right? Let's dive in. First, we'll need a few libraries. We'll be working with Streamlit for the web interface, QR code for generating the actual QR code, and Bytes.io to handle the image so we can display and download it later. To install them, you can just use a simple pip install command. Once that's done, we're ready to continue. Now let's start by setting up the page. We're giving our app a title, a little icon, and setting the layout to centered. Then we add a big title at the top that says QR code generator, followed by a short description telling the user they can create QR codes instantly. Right after that, we create a text input box where users can type the content for their QR code. This can be a link, a message, or really anything you want. All right, let's run the app at this point. To do that, open your terminal and type the command that runs Streamlit. Once you do that, Streamlit will give you a local URL in the console. Just copy that and paste it into your browser, and you'll see the app running. At this stage, you'll notice we've got a title, a description, and an input box ready to use. Next up, let's add some customization options. We create a subheader called Customization, and then split the screen into two columns. On the left, we add a color picker where you can choose the color of the QR code itself. On the right, we add another color picker for the background. This means you're not stuck with the boring black and white QR codes anymore. You can make them look however you want. Let's refresh the app and check it out. Yep, now we've got color pickers right on the page. After that, we add a slider called Size. This lets you adjust how big or small the QR code should be, so you have full control over how your final QR code looks. Now comes the fun part, the button to actually generate the QR code. We add a button that says Generate QR Code. If the input box is empty and you try to click it, the app shows a little warning saying, please enter some content. But if you do type something, then the magic happens. The QR code gets generated using the QR code library. Here's what happens behind the scenes. We set up the QR code, add the data you typed, and then create the image with your chosen colors and size. Once that's ready, we display the QR code right on the page. And not only that, we also prepare it so you can download the QR code as a PNG file with just one click. Super handy. Finally, at the bottom, we add a small footer saying it was made with Streamlit. Once you rerun the app with this code, you'll notice that now everything is complete. Input, customization, the button, the generated QR code, and the download option. To show you an example, I created a QR code that links directly to my YouTube channel, Turtle Code. I customized the color, played with the size, and in just a few seconds, I had a personalized QR code ready to share. And that's it. We've successfully built a fully functional QR code generator using Streamlit.